If you're over 50, listen up. Your immune system is shutting down right now, and your breakfast is the main culprit. That toast you ate this morning, it just wiped out 40% of your immune defense. Here's the reality. After 50, your immune function naturally drops by 30%, but most people make it worse with 5 critical mistakes. I made every single one of them. Until I figured this out, dropped 11 pounds, and went an entire year without getting sick. In the next 6 minutes, I am breaking down all 5 mistakes and exactly how to fix them, starting with the one that's probably in your kitchen right now. Mistake number 1, loading up on inflammatory foods. Here's what happens. You eat sugar and refined carbs. Your gut bacteria goes haywire, inflammation skyrockets, your immune cells literally stop working. A 2017 study from Harvard Medical School found that high sugar diets reduce white blood cell function by 40%. That's nearly half your immune defense gone. So what's the fix? Simple. Cut the sugar, cut the white bread, cut the sweet sauces. But here's the part nobody gets right. Not all bodies are the same. Your gut chemistry is unique. What works for your neighbor might wreck you. For me, the answer was more wild-caught fish, sauerkraut, Greek yogurt, and kefir. No bacon, no deli meats. In 3 months, 11 pounds gone. Gut inflammation reversed. No colds, no flu, nothing. Bottom line, 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Fix your gut, fix your immunity. Mistake number 2, sitting right after you eat. Here's the problem. Your blood sugar spikes after every meal. That spike triggers inflammation. Inflammation crushes your immune response. The solution is ridiculously simple. Walk for 10 minutes after every meal, that's it. A 2019 Stanford study showed this cuts blood sugar spikes by 30%. You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment. Walk around your block, walk around your house. Hell, walk in circles in your living room. Just move for 10 minutes after eating. Do this 3 times a day and you'll see more energy, better sleep, fewer infections. Mistake number 3, garbage sleep. Check this out. Research from UCSF found that people who sleep less than 6 hours are 4 times more likely to catch a cold. 4 times. Your immune system literally rebuilds itself while you sleep. No sleep, no immunity. Here's what you do. Cool your bedroom down to 65 to 68 degrees. Kill the screens 30 minutes before bed. No phone, no TV, nothing. Instead, light, stretching, a real book. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of actual sleep time. This isn't optional if you want your immune system functioning. Mistake number 4, running on stress 24/7. When you're chronically stressed, your body dumps cortisol. Too much cortisol shuts down your immune system. It's like hitting the pause button on your body's defenses. Good news, there's a scientifically proven fix that costs $0. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. Here's how. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 7 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat 4 times. Your nervous system thinks you're safe. Cortisol drops. Immunity comes back online. I do this every morning and before bed. Absolute game changer. Mistake number 5, ignoring the 2 critical supplements. For anyone over 50, these are non-negotiable: vitamin D and vitamin C. Vitamin D first. Get your levels tested. Most Americans are deficient. Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily. Now vitamin C, this is where it gets interesting. I don't just take vitamin C. I dose it strategically. Here's the protocol. 1,000 milligrams with every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Why 3 separate doses? Because vitamin C only stays in your bloodstream 4 to 6 hours. Take it all at once, you pee most of it out, but spread it throughout the day. You maintain high blood levels all day long. A 2020 study in Nutrients Journal showed this approach increases white blood cell activity by 35%. I've been doing this for 5 years straight. I call it my internal shield. Results? 0 sick days. And here's the unexpected benefit. My skin actually looks younger. People literally ask what I'm using on my face. Answer: vitamin C from the inside. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement protocol, especially with higher doses. But if you want the exact brands I use, they're in the pinned comment. Alright, let's lock this in. The 5 mistakes destroying your immunity. 1. Inflammatory foods, eliminate them. 2. Sitting after meals, walk 10 minutes. 3. Garbage sleep, get your 7 to 8 hours. 4. Chronic stress, use 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. 5. Missing key supplements, build your internal shield. Now here's what scares me. Even if you fix all of this, there are 5 warning signs that your immunity has already collapsed. Most people miss these until it's too late. Next video, I'm revealing all 5 signs. 1 involves your skin and it's not what you're thinking. If you miss it, you're gambling with your health. If you want to dodge the hospital this winter, smash that subscribe button right now. Hit the bell, you'll thank me later. Here's my question for you. Which of these 5 mistakes hit closest to home? Drop your answer in the comments. See you in the next one. Stay sharp. Stay healthy.